Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of science and spice. Today, we explore Mycobacterium abscessus, a fast-growing pathogenic bacterium that causes lung infections and even skin infections in some cases. People with respiratory conditions or weakened immune systems face a higher risk and must be especially cautious. You might ask, what makes this bacterium so troublesome? It is closely related to the bug that causes tuberculosis, and it naturally resists many antibiotics. This means that standard treatments often fall short, and patients may need a cocktail of drugs for over a year to keep the infection under control. Now imagine if a little spice could help in the battle against this stubborn microbe. Researchers at Shanghai Jiao Tong University have discovered that adding curcumin can boost the power of a drug called Bedaquiline. Curcumin is the compound that gives turmeric its brilliant orange hue. It has been used in traditional medicine for ages. Bedaquiline is a special antibiotic used to fight multi-drug resistant tuberculosis and has shown some promise in tackling infections from Mycobacterium abscessus. However, by itself, it does not wipe out all the bacteria. The research team found that when bedaquiline is paired with curcumin, the bacteria are held in check much more effectively. It is almost as if the spice tells the bacteria, "Not today." In laboratory studies, the scientists observed that bedaquiline alone initially slowed bacterial growth, but the bugs started to multiply again after 2 weeks. When curcumin was added, the growth and reproduction of the bacteria were suppressed. This suggests that curcumin may act as an antibiotic resistance breaker and gives us a new tool in our scientific toolbox. The team also tested this promising combination in mice. They discovered that the duo worked better together than either compound did on its own in both immunocompromised mice and those with healthy immune systems. It is a striking example of how nature and modern medicine can join forces to improve treatment outcomes. Researchers are now hard at work investigating the specific molecular targets that make this combination so effective. They are unraveling the mystery of how curcumin enhances the antibacterial power of bedaquiline at a cellular level. This detective work in the lab is as thrilling as any mystery novel and shows us that science is full of surprising twists. The innovative approach of combining an established drug with a natural product opens new doors in the fight against resistant infections. It reminds us that sometimes a little extra flavor from nature can turn the tide in a battle that has long been one-sided. It is proof that creativity in science can lead to breakthroughs with the potential to change lives. Although these findings are still in the early stages, they offer hope for new treatment pathways. Further safety assessments and clinical trials will be needed before we see this combination in use for human patients. Yet the results so far are promising and may lead to more effective therapies for people who suffer from difficult-to-treat infections. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the realm of bacteria and spices. We hope you enjoyed learning how a pinch of turmeric might just be the secret ingredient in a breakthrough treatment. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and nature as they join forces to solve real-world problems.